we delete this one, and the rate of change is calculated field. Let's insert calculated. Is the final quantity times the initial price minus the initial quantity times the initial price. Let's copy, paste, and delete this one. Let's save this. Let's see what we got. Oh, say plasma TV row 1 slot 1. That's the location, and it's a finished good. And we have 2 and it was $300, so it's $600, and the physical count as of today is 2. Now okay, we need to delete this final count, the final quantity right here. So the final amount is the physical count. Physical count. Save this. Let's go back. Now we have it. Let's go here. Delete this final. Yes. And the rate of changes. So if we have one right here, the rate of change is down $300. Have 0 here, and it's down by $300. So let's create a form from this table. And save this form. and save. So if we have 3 now, we are up $300. Have 4. That's the final amount. So that's the rate of change. It has increased $600 since our fiscal count is showing we have 4 in